It is my view that the time has come for all of us to unite for some serious rebuilding. We know what Freeport and Grand Bahama were like in their time of prosperity, and we know what is needed to reclaim that time. That is not an impossible dream, and this is not the time for grandstanding. I wish to share with you concrete plans and commitments for the Grand Bahama of tomorrow. But again, this requires the buy-in of all stakeholders, the government of the Bahamas, the people of Grand Bahama, and the port. This administration is committed to lifting people up and creating opportunities for Bahamians across the country. Our standard for determining our success in doing this is in making sure that such opportunities reach everyone. Leadership and planning matter. Our national plan of action is outlined in our blueprint for change. And I hope I have not sugarcoated anything so far, and I don't plan to do so starting now. The Davis Cooper administration has brought to the people a comprehensive plan for rebirth and new growth. We are aware of this island's challenges with recovery in the wake of at least 4 hurricanes since 2004. And much of Grand Bahama's economy has been deeply troubled for many, many years. Numerous legal issues, a breakdown in communication between various stakeholders and various governments, and a chain of unplanned and unforeseen events have led us to where we are today. Grand Bahama's story has been one of setbacks, but also one of success in the face of great adversity. The spirit of the people of Grand Bahama during and after Hurricane Dorian is something I will never forget. The definition of looking on what was lost and building it back with worn-out tools. And apart from the people from the Great Exuma and Ragged Islands, you might be the most resilient people that I've ever met.